I'm sure your parents are very proud of you. Pursue your dream and continue to be a role model sa mga kids na tinuturuan mo. Kasi alam ko they are looking up to you. And andito lang kami. We're so proud of you. Yung dream mo, go lang. Alam naman natin na kaya mo. And I love your dedication and your willingness to serve the Lord. And sa ganito, alam ko na pagbibigyan ni Lord lahat ng prayers mo. God bless you. Happy birthday. I love you.
Yeah!
Palakpakan naman po.
Next is from Naya. Pwede na daw siyang makulong. Wala. Yung papaalam ko mga ganun kayo. Next is from... Next is from the Genie. Next is from Tita Cleophile.
Happy birthday, Carl. Alam mo yan na lagi sasabi sa'yo. Proud ka sa'yo. Ang hirap na magawa mo. Natulungan mo ako sa school. Proud ka sa'yo ako. Kahit na-expect mo ako sa mga happy birthday.
Pwede naman din magsabi.
I love you, Pa. I love you, Pa.
Next naman po ay kay Ate Carla.
First, I want to thank you for letting us be part itong special event ng life niyo ng buhay mo. I wish you success, happiness sa future mo, especially sa magiging career mo. Continue to do best in school and continue to be a good daughter and servant Lord. One piece of advice na nawala. Don't rush things, especially sa love. Nandito siya. Love can wait. Love can wait and my right time.
Happy Legality Hour. First and foremost, I want to express my gratitude for your friendship. Kahit na after pandemic na naman ang as you embark on this journey of adulthood, remember to stay true to yourself, follow your passions, and never lose sight of the incredible person you are. Your potential is limitless, and I have no doubt that you will achieve remarkable things in the years to come. I just wanted to take a moment to tell you how incredibly proud I am of the amazing woman you've become. At 18, you've already shown independent, strong, and capable, and it's truly inspiring to witness. Your determination to pursue your dreams, your unwavering confidence in your life, and your ability na ma-handle kung anumang problems ang dumating sa iyo in life. You're not afraid to stand on your own, to speak your mind, and to clear your own path in this world. And that's one of the things I admire most about you. But beyond your independence, there is also the incredibly sweet and caring side of you that melts my heart every time. I feel so lucky to have you in my life. I want you to know that no matter how independent you are, I'll always be here for you, cheering you in every step of the way, whether you need a shoulder to lean on and someone who can celebrate when you praise you, or just a listening ears. I will always be here because so here's to you, my independent girl. Keep shining your light, keep following your dreams, and never forget how pleasing you are. On your special day, I wish you all the happiness, success, and the love that you deserve in this world. Sana maging happy na yung heart mo, and matupad lahat ng pangarap mo, and your path be illuminated with your bright opportunities. I can't wait to see where life takes you next. You know na I'm always here to support any of your decisions. Again, happy Legality Day.
Ayan. Essay na pala yun. Essay. And next, ang 7 years. 7 years na friend ni Pauline. Clarice.
Hi. Ako kasi. Ano kasi? Ayan. So, bali, hi. Ano kasi, magkakwento ko na po about sa amin ito. So, bali, 7 years na po kami mag-best
and I feel so lucky to benefit from your vibes. The times we've spent together, whether it's going to crazy sleepovers, staying up all night, just to talk shit about others, and just laughing together, are some of my favorite memories. Ano ba to? Being with you is like finding a hidden gem in every moment. Thanks for being there for me. Your friendship is everything to me. Can't wait for more fun times together. Happy birthday to the person who knows me better than I know myself. I'm super thankful for your friendship and all awesome memories we've been together. Here's the another year of good times of love and unforgettable moments. I love you. I love you.
Oh, yung mother. Saan ang nanay?
Ayan, palakpakan naman po para kay Clarice.
Isa pa. Bulak pa. Bulak pa.
Ayan, para sa ating last wish, we would like to call the mother of our debutant, Mami Alicia Soronio. Yes, ma'am. Kung nauna sa kanya mas mahaba lang kasi. Yes.